Well, good morning to you. As you can hear the commotion, the broiler chicks are now old enough that they're going to go out on the pasture. So today is moving day. We're going to move these future chicken nuggets out onto grass. So stick with us. It's going to be a busy but fun day. And our egg layers are getting ready to get some new roommates down there. You got some new chickens moving into the area there, Nemo. What you think? Right, so chicken tractors, you remember last video, we updated those, split them, the roofs in half, the doors in half, and then put the chicken bumpers. And now, yes, we are gonna be paying attention to make sure that if the chickens start eating the pool noodles, we will definitely take that off and just use the PVC that's in there. So, you know, we read the comments, we hear the advice. Again, like I said, we're learning. And if it is a problem, I promise you, we will take that off. And just a quick update on our tomatoes. They're also moving today. So you remember about a month ago, we showed you how to do this system with the 2-cup layers, cutting the triangles in them, putting them under just a fluorescent light, all that good stuff. So they are ready to go out today too. So they're going to be transplanting into their new homes.
Yeah. And if they overflow or something, we can always... Hold on. Can you open the top, please? Open the top. So here, just put the... Here, just drop it in there. Place it softly. And just
Tip over.
tip it over a little bit.
Oh man, like I love this part, just watching them on grass for the first time.
Yeah.
They have no idea what to do.
Yep.
It's quiet. What you doing? Let them figure it out. They look good. Look at them going to the grass. That's the best part.
Yep.
When they figure out there's grass and then knocking the water. Yep. Okay, round one. So what we are doing is moving all the chicks into this one, the ones that aren't quite as big yet, plus our brown ones, which, what are they called?
Rhode Island Reds.
Rhode Island Reds. So they got to grow a little bit longer. Plus, we got some small ones. I mean, they look like a week younger than the ones we got, but they were all born at the same time. So we're just going to add them to the other brooder and let them continue to grow. They have calmed down dramatically. Can't put baby in a corner.
Alright, this is going to be fun. Alright, this can go down in the one you just put in.
All right, so here's the last of our Rhode Island Reds going next door. The loud ones.
so cute though. How am I gonna get the one out of the car?
I don't know.
Come here, booger.
Yeah.
Come here.
Can't be in timeout.
Come on. Come on.
There you go. Oh, just scooped her up. Ta-da!
Yay.
Woohoo! And now it's to clean up this brooder, and this will be ready for the second batch or any other chickens. Or we use this a lot of times as like a hospital, nursing home for any injured chickens. And now they're all over here. So the Cornish cross hens, we'll let them grow a little bit longer. These just so small compared to the other ones. They're still kind of cute. Let me get you a better view. See? Then the brown ones, they're going to be in here for a while. So now they have new roommates, and the other ones are out on the grass. Well, now the real work begins. When they're in the brooder, it's easy because you can just add more shavings, change their water, put in more food. Now you got to come out and move them every day. But it's also the cool part because then you can see them grow. They're on grass. They're checking it out, and that's the cool part to me is when they get outside and they can really be chickens and do what chickens do. We've got about 20 in each, and we've still got probably a dozen inside. So the goal is to get, 25, 26 per chicken tractor, and that'll put us close to where we're going to be. So we have 53 total. We haven't lost any more. Hopefully that'll stay that way. We are energizing our Stark line chicken netting, and we put a 1 joule electric charger, electrifier on here. We've got the solar one up there with Nemo's batch. I'll zoom in there, see? Got the solar one up there. That's also from Stark line. But we just want to give a little bit more power down here, and we have the solar one as a backup. But we're going to move them daily. Fresh grass, pasture raised poultry, and there are your future chicken breasts, chicken nuggets, chicken wings, or just your whole chickens. So fun times here, and we've got them on the piece of the property that this used to all be trees and overgrown brush. And then we had a forestry mulcher come in. It's taken 2 years to get it looking like this. And it didn't happen overnight. We're still clearing out some trees, but this is the perfect spot. It has the most grass on our property. Living on a mountain, on a ridge, it's really tough. But a lot of work to get it going like this. This is actually back behind me is where the garden was, and it didn't work because it's too much shade. But it's gonna be perfect for these chickens. So thank you guys so much for joining in. It's just the beginning. So hang in there with us. We've got more exciting stuff. We'll document these chickens growing, and appreciate you subscribing to our channel. It really does. It helps us out and allows us to share and learn and grow. And we hope you guys are doing that too. So have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. That's right. You tell them.